TAG Mobile Honest Review, everything you need to know. So we're just gonna go ahead and open up Tag first to pretty much just show what's inside of the app in general. So first of all, Tag Mobile pretty much just advertises itself as an affordable US wireless provider that works with major networks and offers free or discounted phone plans through government programs like Lifeline and ACP, those kinds of similar things, but as well as prepaid plans with no contracts or credit checks. So many people are drawn to TAG over here since the sign up process is pretty simple. So you can go ahead here and just go and sign in. Put in a few details, your username and password. You can choose to save your account, or if you don't have one, you can go ahead and follow up with the process, which is very simple. But the website, although, is easy to use, same with the app. So eligible customers can get phones over here with unlimited talk or text and some data, sometimes pretty much delivered quickly, which can be a real help if you need mobile service or you're on a tight budget in a way. However, the real customer experience is somewhat mixed and leans negative for many users, but not in a major side, but a large portion of reviews complain about poor customer service. But other than that, it's just the long hold times and unanswered calls and emails and difficulty getting help with issues like activation or repairs. So it's probably just because of the large amount of people that are using this app right now. But many customers report device problems like poor performance or broken on arrival devices. So trouble porting their number or slow to no responses when trying to resolve problems. So some reviews even describe not receiving a working phone or service at all. And with that, they get frustrated or ignored because of those results. Although there are positive experiences in TAG itself, so they're often overshadowed by the volume of complaints about support and reliability because of how much they expect with TAG. So if strong, consistent service and responsive help are important to you, then the TAG Mobile may not really meet your expectations. But in general, Tag Mobile can be worth it if you just need a basic, low cost or free phone and are okay handling hiccups on your own. So you gotta be prepared for potential support challenges and mixed performance. So you can read all the documentation carefully and don't really rely on flawless service. After all, this is almost free when you go with Tag Mobile, so there are still benefits that comes with it. But that's basically a few things you can put in mind if you want to get into Tag Mobile. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.